Let's dive right in. Today, we're unlocking your body's ultimate biological repair depot.
Ever wonder how the magnificent bowhead whale can live over 200 cancer-free years?
Well, this 80-ton giant hides a massive anti-aging secret deep within its biology.
Instead of just replacing worn-out cells, it uses a flawless repair-don't-replace strategy. The crazy part? We can trigger that exact same cellular resilience right inside our own bodies. It all starts with a 2 ml daily serving of VILAVI T8 Extra 90%. Your liver actually converts its polyprenols into dolichols, acting as a powerful biological sealant. These dolichols work like tiny little patches, brilliantly sealing up your leaky mitochondrial membranes. By fixing these tiny leaks, you literally stop the severe cellular energy loss that ages us. Plus, this process directly combats the oxidative stress fundamentally tied to human aging. That's the real power of this 2 ml daily protocol, your practical, everyday anti-aging defense. So, are you ready to upgrade your mitochondria and mimic the world's most resilient mamma?